Okay, look, children, can you see? Yes, wow, it looks good, right? Here. And then, after this, we'll sprinkle the, what is this? Chocolate syrup, very good. We sprinkle chocolate syrup like this on top. Like bee bud, right? Stripes. Like this. Ta-da! Right? Can you see well? Can you see well? Ta-da! Okay. And then, after this, biscuit. Yes, biscuit is like a carpet. Carpet for ladybugs. Okay? Because they are eating. So, this is a cherry tomato. Okay? Cherry tomato. Cut this cherry tomato in half. This one is very easy for ladybug. And then put the ladybug on top of the biscuit. Can you see well? And then also, we will dot dot. It's okay. Two dots. Alright, two dots. Alright? So, and this line like this children. Okay? They're just like this. Like that. So, can you do it now? Now, what is this? The Maya. And what is it? And ladybug. Where are they? They are in the picnic. Very good. They are in the picnic. Okay? Now. Yes. Peel off the banana. Peel off the banana, Kevin. Peel it off. Not the side. The other side. Point side. You watch carefully, okay? Like this. Wow. Looks yummy. Okay, show me your banana. Show me your bee. What are you doing? What is that? Bee. Say it. Bee. Good. Say it. What is it? Bee. What is that? Bee. What is that? Bee. Hello. Show me your bee. Wow, that is good. Show me your bee, Kevin. Bee. Good. Okay, you can eat now. You can eat now. Steady, sweetie. Steady. Steady. Show it. Eat. You can eat now. Yummy, yummy. Happy tummy. Banana. Cut the banana into 3 cups here. Divide into 3. 1, 2, 3. Cut the banana into 3, alright? The third step, one more time. The third step is put the banana and marshmallow on the stick. Okay, so can you name this? What are this? What are this? Sticks, very good. These are the sticks. Wooden stick. We call this wooden stick. Wooden stick. Good. Can you see me here well? Yes, good. Wooden stick. Please be careful not to play with this wooden stick, okay? This is too dangerous. Don't try to poke like this on your eyes. You get blind. And don't try to poke on your skin like this. Ouch, this is hurt, alright, and painful. Never play with this stick, okay? So we use a stick because we need this for our cooking today. Now, why do we use a wooden stick? To make a Santa's body, alright? Okay, now, this is how the procedure. Put the marshmallow, say it together. Put the marshmallow on the stick. Okay, put the marshmallow on the stick like this. Can you see me? Good. First the marshmallow on the stick. So the next step is the banana. Yes, banana. Show me your banana again. Show me your peeled up banana. Show. Okay, good. So this time I will peel up my banana skin. There you go. So the third step is put a banana cut. Take together. No, other cut goes out. Put the banana on the stick like this. Can you see well? Okay, good. Put the banana on the stick like this. And then lastly is another half. I give you a marshmallow, right? Good. Then you cut them into two pieces, right? You cut them into half. So the other half is here, the other half is here. Put the marshmallow inside. There you go. Alright? Okay, can you see me well? Okay, good. How about your partner at the back? Can you see well? Good. Okay. So after this, children, we need very good, strawberries. Okay, here, strawberries. We should wash it well before we use it. Okay? Strawberries. Strawberries. Now, pull out this part. Pull out. And then cut this side. Alright? I will give you one strawberry later, okay? Can you see me well? Okay, cut this side. Not this side. Cut this side. Cut. Like this. Do you know what is this for? Very good. This is for a hat. Understand? Yes, this is for a hat. And then put it here on top. Oh, like this. Alright? So, we don't have mini marshmallow. It's okay. Let's just pretend this is a hat, alright? Red hat. So, what it looks like? Is it looks like Santa? No? Alright. Okay. I think the body is too long. Anyway, so this is hat, body. Alright. Okay. And the body of Santa. Now, lastly, we need, what do we need?
Chocolate chip.
Okay, good. Chocolate chip. Yes, you can make with eyes, nose, and lips with this chocolate chip. Alright? Now, I will show you how to put first eyes. Let's say eyes. Okay, two eyes. We need two eyes here. Like this. Two eyes. And nose. I think it's hard to make. Lips for the mouth. I think we need four chocolate chips for the lips. Can you do it? Or 3 chocolate chips. What it looks like. Ta-da! Alright. What it looks like. Is it look yummy, Santa? Yes. Now, can you make it? Okay, good. Now, it's your turn, guys, to make your own Santa. Do you still remember the instructions I gave it to you? Okay, good. Now it's your turn. Cut your marshmallow. Carter and Kevin, you're cutting in the wrong way. Yes, you're right. Okay. Now, I will give you banana. And this time, put down your knife and peel off your banana. Peel off banana now, Kevin. Peel off banana. What did I say? Peel off. Say it again. Peel off banana. Good. Peel off your banana. Peel off the skin. Yes, try to figure out how to peel off banana. Peel it off. Okay, you're doing good. Peel off banana. Say it together. Peel off the banana. Okay, good job, Ian. And then set aside the banana skin. Okay, don't play with your plastic knife now. Put down your plastic knife, Kevin. Okay, are you done peeling off your banana? I'll give it to you. Okay, chocolate chips for the eyes. Oh, don't cut your bananas, Kevin. Let me see. Wow. So, let me see. Put the hat now. Hat. Sure, you can eat. Okay, don't eat, sweetie. Just make. Okay, you're doing good. Are you all done? Oh, it's alright. Let me see. Okay, this time you put the, what is it? The eyes, nose, and mouth with chocolate chips. Oh, look at Juha. She's doing good. That's a big lips. Hat. Put on the hat. Let me see. That's good. You can eat your chocolate chips. Let me see. That's nice. You can eat your mini chocolate chips. Oh, yummy. That's nice. Let me see. Let me see. The face. Okay, you can eat chocolate chips. You eat it. It's. Kevin, are you done? You can eat your bananas and chocolate chips.
일단 먼저 초콜릿 칩부터 먹어야 돼.
선생님 사진 하나하나씩 찍어요.
칭찬을 찍고 있어.
아, 네. Okay, are you all done? Okay, show me your. Okay, don't you have? You can eat the chocolate chips. You can eat. Let me see. Oh, that's nice. You can eat chocolate chips if you want to. Let me see yours. Let me see your store. Where are the eyes? Nose. Where? Show it. Show the face. So what did you make today?
바나나 샀다.
Again, banana. Good, banana Santa. Or you can say snowman Santa. Banana is snowman. Okay, here, there you go. You eat this. You can eat now. Eat your banana Santa, okay? Okay, it's time to eat. Say it again. Uh-oh, you didn't sing yet. You didn't sing yet, right? You forgot to sing. 1, 2, 3, go down. 1, 2, 3, sing first. Ready, set, cook. Who's in the kitchen? I can hear you all. What's in the kitchen? Oh yeah. To cook. Louder. Cook, 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 cook. Fresh and fun and good to eat. Cook, 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 cook. Fresh and fun and good to eat. Ready, set, cook. Are you too hungry? Are you hungry now? Okay, so that's it. Where are we going to eat? Banana. Good, banana Santa. Enjoy.
오케이. 지금 다 끓이고